Welcome to Word Up with English Yeah, where we take one word or one phrase and we do a complete deep dive. Where it came from, how to use it like a native, when not to use it, and the cultural context behind it. Let's go. Today we are exploring the phrasal verb pull up. Picture this. You're texting an American friend asking what they're doing tonight. They respond with 4 words. We're here, pull up. So what are they asking you to do? Are they asking you to go to the gym and pull up? No. Are they asking you to get something and pull it up? Not even close. In modern American English, pull up is a common versatile verb, phrasal verb, used to say arrive, show up, come over. It is so versatile. That being said, what does pull up even mean when you hear it on the street? Literally, it means to drive a car and stop at a destination. But in everyday English, it means to show up, come over, hang out. And that could be whether you're driving, walking, or taking an Uber. By the end of this video, you're gonna know the exact difference between pull up, come over, pull up on someone, and how to avoid some common mistakes with pull up, because if you say it with the wrong tone or to the wrong person, it could be bad. You could find yourself in some trouble. So let's go ahead and jump right on in. The origin story. How did the verb about driving turn into universal slang for hanging out? Originally, pull up comes from literal automotive movement. Like, for example, pull up to the curb, pull up to the gas station, pull up in the driveway, pull up to the entrance and park. You still hear this in classic phrases like pull up to the front door, pull up to the second window when you're in a drive-thru. In the 1990s and 2000s, the phrase transformed through American hip-hop culture, especially in the South and West Coast. Rappers' lyrics were full of references about pulling up to the club, to parties, to the neighborhood block and custom cars. You know, making an entrance. Pull up lost its requirement of actually needing a vehicle. So today, if you're driving a truck, a car, a scooter, you're using public transportation like a bus, you're walking, if you're arriving somewhere, you're pulling up. Let's break down how to use pull up in different real world situations. Scenario 1, inviting someone casual. It's an open invitation. Can you say, hey bro, come to my house? Absolutely. But you can also say, hey bro, pull up later. And that means, hey, come over or come over later. Listen to this. Hey bro, we're watching the game at my place. Pull up. Let's slow that down so you can listen one more time. Hey bro, we're watching the game at my place. Pull up. When we say pull up, you can hear the connected speech like that. The L at the end of pull and the U at the beginning of up are connected. It's not pull up, it's pull up. Scenario 2, announcing your arrival. It could be via text message. When you're close to your destination or you're even outside, the go-to text message sounds like this. I'm pulling up right now. That means you could be there in 10, 15, 30 seconds. Or I'm about to pull up. Same thing. Or just pulled up, open the door. That means I am literally outside. I'm about to walk up to your door. Scenario 3, location. You can use pull up for specific locations like pull up to the tailgate around 5 p.m. We're at the park. Pull up whenever you're ready. Section 4, when not to use it and red flags. Now let's talk about where people make mistakes with this phrase. Really pay attention here because prepositions really matter. Adding the word on changes the meaning completely. So you can say, I'm pulling up to your house. I'm pulling up on someone. For example, if I say I'm pulling up to the house, that means I'm about to be to the house. Or if someone says pull up to the house, they're inviting me to go to their house. However, if I say I'm about to pull up on someone, that is aggressive. That means that you're gonna go try to fight someone, or you're gonna go try to do something that's even worse than fighting. It is extremely important that you say this the right way. You use the proper preposition. Okay, so you could say, I'm about to pull up on someone. That means you're gonna go looking for them to harm them. Or a friend could text you or call you and say, hey, let's go pull up on whoever, on these people. And that could mean, let's go do harm to them. Again, very important that you use the right preposition, because if you don't, it could be greatly misunderstood. One more time, if you're going to visit your friend, say, I'm going to pull up to his house, not pull up on him, okay? Again, extremely important. Red flag number 2, do not use this with clients, with your boss, or in professional emails. Don't do it. Here's what you should not say at work. Pull up to the conference room for a meeting. Don't do it. Just don't. The correct way to say it is join us in the conference room for a meeting. Join us in the conference room for a meeting, not pull up to the conference room. You can use pull up for peers, friends, or even some coworkers if they're casual coworkers and y'all are kind of like buddy at work. But still be careful with it with your coworkers because they could get the wrong idea. So why do us native speakers use pull up instead of come over, arrive, or hang out? It's all about the vibe. That's why. Saying you should come over to my house sounds kind of like planned, deliberate, like it's gonna happen, official, and stuff like that. But on the other hand, saying pull up creates a low pressure, welcoming invitation and environment. It implies the door is open, the energy is casual, and you're welcome to come over whenever you'd like. And honestly, for native speakers, it's effortless English. Section 6, the recap and community challenge. Let's do a quick 10-second recap. Pull up means to arrive or come over. I'm pulling up means I'm on my way, almost there. Do not say I'm pulling up on someone unless you're looking for trouble. Now for your homework, I want you to drop a comment below using pull up in an original sentence, okay? I'm gonna be reading, I'm gonna be correcting, I'm gonna be engaging with you all to make sure that y'all's vibe is proper with pull up, because if it's not, it ain't right. You don't wanna do it, it's risky. If you enjoyed this episode of Word Up, hit that like button, subscribe to English Yeah, and make sure that you share this with a friend that is also learning English. Until next time, wherever you're headed, make sure you pull up with confidence. Peace.